This year, my wife and I celebrated our 10-year anniversary and final baby moon by leaving our kids behind with their grandparents to travel to one of our favorite places in the world, Switzerland. Instead of sharing a Google Doc of our itinerary, I wanted to put together a travel series from all the footage that I shot during our trip. Like the old saying goes, it's better to show, not tell. Came back from Grindelwald feeling really exhausted, so we took a 30-minute nap, which was probably one of the worst naps I've ever taken. But now we are on the move again. We're gonna head to Wengen. We're gonna take the train up. Wengen is a mountain town that overlooks the Lauterbrunnen Valley. It's only accessible by foot or by train. We didn't have the luxury of time, so we decided to take the train up, which was relatively cheap. We are here in the Wengen. Whoa. Clay tennis court. Cool little play area. It's very surreal walking around Wengen. There wasn't a single car in sight. Just people walking to get to places. The biggest attraction in Wengen is probably the view of Lauterbrunnen Valley. After walking around town, we found a church that had a spectacular viewpoint that wasn't crowded at all at the time that we went. This was a great site for pictures and videos. All right, so you get to the church. You go down these steps, and you soak in these views. We stayed at the spot for a while until it was time to go.